what you want and what you will, working for your dollar bill. Sad to see the old slave mill is grinding slow but grinding still.
Escalation in COVID cases in the last couple of, say the last 2 months, we have seen an escalation in deaths and infections.
Well, so in the United States, though, we've got a big abundance of the COVID breaking out also. And we're allowed to go out as long as we have our mask on. So I don't know why Jamaicans can't come out without as long as they've got their mask on, like we do in the United States.
It has created some controversy here among the locals who believe that it is unfair.
It is unfair. They should be able to come out.
Honestly speaking, it's really inappropriate for us to just come and just sit like this, wasting where there's no money. We can't receive nothing at all. And yet still we are spending just to follow the protocol the same way. We have to be sanitized, we have to do our protocol, use our uniform, as they say, going around orientation as well. But it's not benefiting us. Definitely not. And the persons who's being past buyers, because that's what I categorize as Indians and Chinese and Mexicans, they are past buyers because they don't invest back in the country. You understand? We are the ones that pay tax. We pay all those revenues. We have to build the country because this is our background. This is what we live off. This is what we're born in. But yet still we can't benefit from it.
And the hood's all mad. So you know I can't like I drink over you on my bag and come and feel me twat. So guys, I just ordered dinner because everybody's gone and I'm alone at the house and I am not cooking. So I just thought I'd do a quick vlog to show you guys what it's like to order food in Jamaica. I ordered from Timbo Lounge in Portmore. They were quite pleasant on the phone. Didn't take long to get through. Took about 20-30 minutes for me to actually get the food. See, man, come to me and I'm gonna get this nice. Love that. Thank you so much. I'm just doing a quick vlog for YouTube.
Hi, yeah.
Vlogger. People.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so came back her. Guys, I'm just there to some laundry. Brother gonna work. So just me one. The rest of that chill all day. I edit a video for drop today. I'm having fun again. Oh, the pin. Ready? Yep.
Swipe right.
Yeah, we can swipe.
Alright, let's touch.
So man, it's my juice paper. That was quick and easy. That was simple. I got a tropical juice. I thought it would have been tropical already, but it's their own one. Okay, this is fine. Thank you so much.
I get confused with it.
No man, that good. Thank you. This is what I got. I got oxtail and beans. I'll show you in a minute. The oxtail smell good. I'm showing my order. She's what I ordered.
72 minutes, we wondered whether he...
Oh, the food feel heavy, guys. The food I feel like I'm gonna eat it and go sleep. Left them close in my machine. Yeah, guys, good night.
And the fourth and final pick for number for tonight is the number 9. So once again, tonight's winning pick for numbers are 760 and the number 9. Will be, and the winning cash pot number is, and here it comes.
18.
Number 4. I earned my number 1 hit of my career.
I don't want ice cream. Oh, myself. I know me. Come here like the bad sound. I must say J. Say, guys, and so I can't stay here, I get blamed for everything. Wait. This one pretend. And this is the sweet one. You understand? Oh, darling, because you always be my baby. Oh.
You don't want to get a right little touch from you.
Guys, I'm in the bathroom. My mother run come hurry me up so I come outside because people are climbing coconut tree. Let me catch it for the vlog. Good morning. Hi, morning. I'm not. Morning.
Morning.
It's a coconut, the guys. That's the coconut, and then we have a coconut tree. So this is the tree that they climbed this morning. I wonder if they have jelly.
Huh?
They have jelly in it?
Yeah.
What a blessing, eh? To just have a tree in your yard, just so.
Oh, you have to plant them. It's not a blessing.
Not a blessing. It's a blessing for me.
You have to plant them.
Me no mind.
Yeah. When you plant them.
Because now you have the jelly for the rest of your life, no? So jelly grow all year round?
Yeah.
Really? That's good.
Alright, here. Here's one. You just.
Yes, thank you. Look. Meat. Meat? Ah. Normally we use a machete, but him just use a little chopper.
Why use a machete? You know, around this. Okay.
Enough meat. Look the people.
Greater.
Right there, right here. Guys, enough meat today. Guys, the sun very bright. That's why the camera's so overexposed. The sun I kick up. It's sun I kick up. But that's why I do some washing too, guys. Boy.
What's me?
Real yard man style. Well, like I look at island girl though. Look at my head. Don't it blend right in because I got on a ton right now. $100 get onion, $100 get tomato. You don't want to rat pies to kill a man.
Get rid of one, I can't have two problems. I can't have rat man.
You can't have rat man. Get rid of one. Rat pies and over here, people.
Yeah.
Guys, we just had a local laundry too in the day. Today's no movement day. Andrew locked down the whole country. Guys, I love Jamaica. Okay, get so much backyard space. You think you could get this in England? Which England?
Alright, here.
My one this, thank you.
It's just then you're good to go here.
Do it for me now.
It's with a knife?
Yeah.
Yes, you can do it with a knife. Like that.
Okay, and let us drink.
Yeah, you
thank
can push
you.
the straw in.
Okay. In the bus.
Me tough.
Me tough like some people, Ed.
I'm gonna call people, man. You're gonna call them cook and dead.
Oh, my boss on it for me.
Good stuff, every carrot in.
Don't it. Come now. It's a coconut that's on a jelly. Him there in the tree?
Yeah.
The man in the tree? Wow. Girl. What is the escabeche fish served with?
Rice and peas. All our lunch special is served with rice and peas.
Okay, am I speaking to Kadian?
No, you're not.
Okay, cool. What more forget?
Baked chicken.
Baked chicken finish?
We don't have any baked chicken.
Fried chicken.
The fried chicken nice? Or stew beef? I don't want beef, that's too much. Alright, can I have fried chicken with stew beef gravy?
Can I get the contact number?
Yeah, sure. Give me a minute. How long is the wait? Why she hang up? She didn't tell me how long, she didn't tell me how much money. She just hang up the car. I hope I did her phone dead. Because none else that makes sense.
The girl said she trying to get through, because you got through. Eh? I tell you sometimes they can't bother.
But just so that, I appreciate people just say, you know, some vibes now.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Simple.
Because nobody never say invite me, and you randomly message me.
Yeah, that's what it is.
So guys, the food just come from Timber Lounge. So I'll just show you guys how it goes. Same people. How much you come up to? $1,200. So they come on the little bike and they just drop it off here. I just had the one vlog, that's why. Oh, you see how much grab it up? I'll show you guys the food in a minute. Oh, you guys, I bear body things my have. But they are packing some order. And I'm not coming back.